Hello everyone, we're going to now do the volume of a pyramid and a cone. So for pyramids we have two types. We did this for surface area as well, where the base is a rectangle for one and a triangle for the other, okay? Now, what does that mean? It means when we do our formula, some small parts of it are going to be different just because the base is different. So let's write it down. For a pyramid, it's going to be volume is equal to 1/3, that's a fraction, times the area of your base times the height of the pyramid. Okay, and they're the same for both, so let's just rewrite it. Same formula, okay? But remember I said the bases are not the same, so a small part of the formula will not be the same. And let's write that part down. The area of the base for a rectangle is what? We just did it for prisms. The area of a regular rectangle is base times height, so that part's going to be different. And for a triangle, the area of the base is 1/2 base times height. Okay, so just remember that these big capital B's are part of the formula, but you have to do a little side work in order to plug it in. And so let's get started. Here's the first pyramid I see. Is it a rectangular pyramid or a triangular pyramid? Based on the base. Based on the base. Base. It's a, okay, that was not good. It's a rectangular pyramid. So we're going to be doing the same formula, but the base is a rectangle. So 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. All right, let's do the side work. Base times height. What is the measurements for this rectangle? I always have to do a little extra. So 7 and 3. Okay, so the area equals 7 times 3. Which is what? 7 times 3? 21. Okay. All right, now we're ready to plug it in. 1/3 times the area of your base, which is 21, times the height. What's the height of this pyramid? Regular height, not slanted height. 6. Right here. Okay. And then we can plug that into the calculator. Let's see what we get. 1/3 times 21 times 6. 42. So our volume equals 42. What is this? Oh, it doesn't have any units. Units. And then what do I put after that? If it's volume. Cubed. And that's it. All right, let's do a triangular pyramid. Here was the triangle on the bottom. Okay. Volume equals 1/3 times the area of your base times the height. Write that down. 1/3 times the area of your base times the height. So let's do a side work. Area of the base is 1/2 base times height. For this triangle, this is actually a right triangle, has a right angle. And so my height is here, which is 5. And then the base is 4. Yeah. So when we plug it in, we have 1/2 times 4 times 5. Okay. All right, this one I'm going to do it in my head because I don't want to use a calculator. 1/2 of 4. What's 1/2 of 4? 2. 2 times 5? 10. So the area of your base is 10. Okay, now you're ready to plug it back into the volume formula. Volume equals 1/3 times 10 times, what's the height? It's 6 again, right here. That's how tall it is. 6. All right. Whoopsie, sorry. Okay, 1/3 times 10 times 6. 1/3 times 10 times 6. 20. So my volume is equal to 20 units cubed. And that is it. Okay, we're not going to worry about the word problems. I think that's enough. All right, let's do a cone. Let's keep going. For a cone, the base is a circle. Y'all know I like circles. And the formula is 1/3 pi r squared times the height. Okay, 1/3 times pi r squared times the height. And I love this because it's just very straightforward. Circles are so easy. And by now, y'all are experts at radius. So is this one. 21 is your height. 7 is your radius. So the formula is 1/3 pi r squared times the height. Okay. And very straightforward. What's the radius? 7 squared times the height, which is 21. Okay. There you go. Go to Desmos. Type it in. 1/3 times pi 7 times 7 squared times 21. All right, always check your calculator. Make sure you have it all there. Don't forget the pi, don't forget the squared, and then the answer is 1077 point. If we round to the hundreds, that's 56, but there's a 6 after the 6, so 0.57. And this is units cubed. All done. Okay, one more. This cone, volume equals 1/3 pi r squared times height. Okay. What is the height of this cone? 11. What's the radius? What's the radius? 6 is the diameter. It's clearly showing you it's going along the whole circle. So half of 6 is 3. So your radius is 3. Okay. All right, let's plug it right in. Volume equals 1/3 pi radius of 3 squared. Okay, everybody good so far? Times your height. What's the height? 11. Okay. Straight to Desmos. And then we just need to delete this part. So times 3 squared times 11. 103.67 units cubed. All right, that's it for pyramids and cones. Don't forget that there's a delta math that we're doing for this. It's an assignment that's like for the whole week. So make sure you've done the other sections and go in order, okay? Don't try to get ahead. Watch the notes first, all right? Bye.